In today's digital age, the world of business management software can seem daunting. With so many powerful tools available, a common concern that pops up is whether using them requires specialized technical skills, particularly coding. When we look at a comprehensive business management platform like Scoro, which aims to integrate everything from project management to financial tracking, it's a very valid question to ask. Do I need coding for Scoro? As a project management expert, I've seen countless individuals and teams adopt new software, and I can confidently state that you generally do not need coding skills to use Scoro effectively. Scoro is designed to be a highly configurable, no-code or low-code platform for its core functionalities. This means that its user interface (UI) is built for business users, not for software developers. The power of Scoro lies in its intuitive design and its ability to be customized through point-and-click actions, drop-down menus, and configuration settings, rather than by writing lines of code. Let's break down why coding isn't necessary for most users and what capabilities Scoro offers without it. Navigating Scoro, a business user's playground. Think of Scoro as a sophisticated digital dashboard for your entire business. Just like you don't need to be an automotive engineer to drive a car, you don't need to be a programmer to operate Scoro. The developers at Scoro have done the complex coding so that you don't have to. Here's how you interact with Scoro without writing a single line of code. Project setup and management. Creating projects. You click a new project button, fill out forms with project names, descriptions, client details, and set start/end dates. No code needed. Task management. Adding tasks, assigning them to team members, setting deadlines, and tracking progress are all done through simple forms and drag-and-drop interfaces. Gantt charts and Kanban boards. These visual tools are generated automatically from your task data. You interact with them by dragging tasks, changing statuses, or adjusting timelines directly on the screen. Time tracking. Team members log their hours by selecting projects and tasks from drop-downs, often with a simple timer. Financial management, quotes, invoices, expenses. Creating quotes and invoices. You use pre-designed templates, fill in client information, add line items for services or products, and set pricing. Scoro calculates totals, taxes, and discounts automatically. Expense tracking. Logging business expenses involves selecting categories, entering amounts, and attaching receipts. Reporting. Scoro generates financial reports, profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow, based on the data you've entered. You can customize which data appears in reports by selecting options for menus. Client relationship management, CRM. Adding contacts and companies. This is done via simple data entry forms. Tracking communications, logging calls, emails, and meetings involves typing notes into fields associated with contacts or companies. Sales pipeline management. Moving deals through stages is typically a drag-and-drop action on a visual pipeline board. Reporting and dashboards. Customizing dashboards. You choose widgets and data points to display on your personalized dashboard by selecting them from a library of available options. Generating reports. Scoro offers a wide array of pre-built reports. For custom reports, you define the parameters, e.g., date ranges, specific projects, team members, using filter menus, not by writing database queries. When low-code or no-code is key. Scoro's design philosophy aligns with the growing trend of low-code or no-code platforms. This approach is precisely what makes powerful software accessible to business users. Accessibility. It democratizes the use of sophisticated tools. You don't need to hire a developer or learn a new programming language to set up your business processes. Speed. You can configure and deploy solutions much faster than if you had to code them from scratch. This agility is crucial for businesses that need to adapt quickly. Flexibility. While you're not coding, Scoro offers extensive configuration options. You can customize fields, workflows, user roles, permissions, reporting layouts, and more to match your unique business processes. This is all done through the graphical user interface, GUI. Reduced errors. Without coding, there are fewer opportunities for programming errors, leading to more stable and reliable system operation. The role of the administrator/implementer. Still no code. Even for the person responsible for setting up and maintaining Scoro for an entire organization, often an internal project manager, operations manager, or dedicated administrator, coding is not a requirement. Their role involves understanding business processes, translating how your company operates into Scoro's structure, configuration, setting up accounts, defining user roles and permissions, customizing project templates, creating custom fields, and configuring workflows, e.g., automated actions when a task status changes. These are all done using Scoro's built-in administration panels, which are visual and menu-driven. Training users, teaching team members how to use the software effectively. Optimizing usage, continuously refining how Scoro is used to maximize efficiency and gain insights. This role requires a strong understanding of your business, keen attention to detail, and a logical approach to system configuration, but not programming expertise. When might you encounter code, but not need to write it? The only scenarios where you might brush up against code concepts in Scoro, but still not need to write it, involve advanced integrations or very specific custom developments. API integrations. If you need Scoro to talk to a highly specialized, niche third-party system that doesn't have a pre-built integration, you might need to use Scoro's API, Application Programming Interface. However, this task would typically be handled by an IT professional or a third-party developer who specializes in integrations, not the average Scoro user or administrator. They would be writing code for their system to interact with Scoro's API, not writing code within Scoro itself. Very specific custom development. In extremely rare cases, for functionalities not supported by Scoro's extensive configuration options, a business might request a custom development from Scoro itself or a certified partner. This would be a bespoke solution, and again, the coding would be done by the developers, not by you.